there is no substance for working hard. Okay, there is no substance for working hard. So keep work hard and reach your goals. Okay, we have to follow this in your life, then only we can achieve anything in our life. We can easily reach our goals. Okay, now we can go to our class. Here we are going to learn about case ending. Okay, we are going to learn about case ending. In Hindi we are having many case endings. Okay, like from, to, in, on. Okay, like that. For that we are having the specific letter or specific word. Okay, now the first one is say. The first one is say. Here we have to say, then the meaning is by, with, from, then, since. Okay, by, with, from, then, since. These are the meanings for the only letter say. Here I have written one example. See, the first one is kalam se likho. Kalam se likho. Okay, kalam se likho. Okay, write with the pen. Write with, the meaning is write with the pen. Kalam se likho. Second one is vah शहर से आता है. वह शहर से आता है. Okay, the meaning is he comes from the town. Okay, we can use the say for this by, with, from, then, since. Okay, I can give many other examples for say. Okay, Ram Lakshman se bada hai. Ram Lakshman se bada hai means Ram is taller than Lakshman. Okay, taller or bigger than Lakshman. Okay, Ram Lakshman se bada hai. Okay, मैं कलम से लिखती हूँ. मैं कलम से लिखती हूँ means I am writing with this pen. I am writing with this pen. So for the use of by, with, from, then we have to use say. This is a most important case ending in Hindi. Okay, then the second one is may. May, the meaning is in. Meaning is in. For example, here we can see kalam mein स्याही nahi hai. Kalam mein स्याही nahi hai means there is no ink in the pen. There is no ink in the pen. कलम में स्याही नहीं है. There is no ink in the pen. Okay, मैं घर में रहती हूँ. मैं घर में रहती हूँ means I am living in this house. Okay, I am living in this house. मैं दफ्तर में काम करती हूँ means I am working in the office. I am working in the office. Like that we have to use this may. May means in. Okay, then now we are going to the third one, par. Par means on. Par means on. जमीन पर मेज है. जमीन पर मेज है. Here the table is on the floor. The table is on the floor. We have to use on. The word is par. Okay, the word is par. जमीन पर, मेज पर कलम है. Okay, मेज पर कलम है means the pen is on the table. The pen is on the table. मेरी बहन की ऑफिस की किताबें मेज पर है. मेरी बहन की ऑफिस की किताबें मेज पर है means in the table there is a papers of my sister's office. Okay, of my sister's office. Okay, like that we can use this. Now we can once again clear now. Here say means by, with, from, then, since. Okay, we are having the two examples. Kalam se likho means write with a pen. The second one is वह शहर से आता है. he comes from the office. Then the second one is may means in. Kalam mein syahi nahi hai. There is no ink in the pen. Okay. Now the third one is par. Par means on. Okay, par means on. Example we are going to see now. That is jamin par mej hai. Table is on the floor. Okay.